Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my artwork. Okay, so you're probably thinking, James, like, what is this? I'm sorry, but like, what is this? Well, basically, okay, so, I mean, uploading twice a week can be hard sometimes, and you can run out of ideas. But then I was thinking, you know what? I want to get to know you guys a bit better, and I want you guys to have the opportunity to get to know me a bit better. Like, those of you who know me in person, like, I mean, you don't need to really like watch this, but I, if you didn't know, done art during Leaving Cert, and I really enjoyed it. I done really well in it, and also I done a PLC, which is a post Leaving Cert course, I think, after Leaving Cert for art for a year, before I started doing interior design in college. Now I've always wanted to do interior design. Like, this is just kind of, I just really like drawing and stuff, and I like being creative, so I'm just going to show you some of the stuff I've done. So the first one, I have like a pile here of stuff. I have to go up to the attic and find some of this stuff, just so you know. But the first pile here is stuff I done in Leaving Cert. In Leaving Cert you kind of have to pick like a theme, or like a kind of, yeah, like a theme. So like I don't like the shells and stuff, because I really liked shells at the time, aka this class. So at the start, like, so first of all, like in the school I went to, like, our teacher wasn't very good, and ever since we left, I got actually a really good art teacher, so it's really annoying. But we went, me and another girl and another guy that done art, went to art grinds, which is like extra, it's like kind of like extra art outside of school. So you go, like, it's not in the school, it's not part of the school, you can't do it yourself. So I went, and we went to a really nice lady, and she done like art grinds with us, and she, so basically we had to do like a collage on the front. This is all from art grinds, this isn't from like our bad teacher in school. So like, first of all I wanted to do something like nature, and so that's what the first one was. It's like all nature kind of stuff, and then I kind of zoned in on then shells and like rocks and stuff, because I just really like the shape and the shadows and stuff that I've done. So I kind of wrote here line, color, tone, texture, shape, and space, and value. Oh my gosh, my number is like at the top corner there. Oh my gosh, that's my old number, so like you can ring it, but it's not gonna work. So then I started moving on. Oh, what's this? Oh, to drawing like stones and stuff, because that was like the thing. You had to kind of, you have to actually like draw them out, because when you're getting examined and they're marking, they want to see like a frame of thought. So they want to see like where you started off and then where you ended up. They want to see like kind of how you went from this to that, if you know what I mean. So then I do like a shell, and this is really fun because this is when I started, you know, getting creative with like different shading techniques, because I never used to know how to do this until I was taught. And then this one's like wild. So this is like, you know, cut up pieces of like food. Is that food? Oh, that's apple pie, but like it's kind of cut up into shapes of shells. And I thought it was really cool. It's like just show it's different medias and different ways of creating shells and stuff, and like textures and stuff. And just like mixed media, just like watercolor and pencil, which is really fun. And then these are some mishaps then, like these are just like, you know, messy, but like it was just all about like practicing. Oh, this one actually I turned it into an actual charcoal piece. This one here, I turned that into an actual charcoal piece. I'll show you that like later. And then, okay, so the project was about shells, but no, James couldn't just do shells. He done a full collage of furniture. I mean, this is really cool actually, I really like this. He done a full collage of furniture when we were supposed to be doing shells. I think I was like, oh well, I mean, this has some texture or something that's related to like beach and shells and stuff, blah blah blah. Oh, and then I was just showing my techniques with like different type of media. So I have like pencil, charcoal, oils, and pencil and coloring pencil, which is really fun. And then I like ripped up, like I got a new pair of shoes, and they're from Jack and Jones. I just kind of ripped up the tissue paper that was in the box, and I just kind of put it all along there. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I take that idea and do James all the way across. But yeah, so then I kind of put like tissue paper and like layered it up to kind of create more texture on this one, and watercolors and oils, and then we're doing like ink staining and stuff. And then this one's like really well, it's like very Illuminati-esque, so it's like kind of eyes and stuff in shells, like, and then like kind of these beacons of like different colors. I didn't like this because I thought it looked like McDonald's when I added in the red, but like, I mean, Now I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, and then just some different kind of coloring and shading techniques. Oh yeah, and then see, I love like drawing people. Like I love drawing like girls and stuff, and like making them look like really edgy and cool. So like this like supposed to be a mermaid with like a kind of mask. I don't know if you can see that. With like kind of a netting on her face, just like as a mask. And then this is another one. This one's like really weird. Like I'm not going to show you that one. I was like, her hair is like spun into like shells at the side, so like the act as her ears. It's very like futuristic. Oh yeah, there's. Oh, something fell. There's just different medias and stuff. Like this book was all really just, you know, experimentation, and that's it. I think. Oh no, it's not it. Like I mean, art was a tough subject. Like it required a lot of time and effort. Oh yeah, this is, you know, then just me getting like, you know, this is me messing around there with different, like, you know, with tissue paper and stuff. I just like really loved drawing my hair. Actually, I really did. Oh, wrong way. Oh yeah, and then I drew it like when I'm supposed to be doing my homework. This I'm doing, drawing out rooms and stuff. Oh yeah, and then for junior I done angels, because I really love like angels and stuff. So if you can see that, the whole idea behind this one is I hadn't finished drawing it. Obviously she wasn't supposed to like be naked at the bottom half, but there was like a light that was shining like on her, and that had a halo and she had wings, but it was kind of like she was like caught, and yeah, her hair was like blowing. I still could be like a UFO or something, who knows. But yeah, that was my mind when I was 15, maybe 15. And that's another like lady with a bow. I really like fashion as well, so I like use I used to practice with fashion illustrations, you know. And this is in DCG, like a shoe. Let's move on to some more exciting things. Oh, what's this? Okay, so then moving on to my PLC that I done. So okay, let me see. Oh yeah, so I done a PLC after leaving cert, and it was really fun. I mean, I didn't really get along with any of the like lectures or anything, but I found it pretty fun. I really love like drawing like girls. I just really thought it was really fun, because like I do like really cool hair and stuff, and like lips. Let me see if this one is from that period. Them ones aren't good, so I'm not gonna even show you them. But like I mean, I might as well, you know. But these ones aren't even finished. But these, you'll understand these ones more when I show you like the other ones. The reason I like PLC is because the people that were in it, like I met like really nice people I met. And I'm still friends with them as well, which is amazing. Okay, so, oh yeah, okay, so let me just move these over here. Okay, so a lot of it was like ink and stuff, but like I'm so mad at myself because if I, see, my whole thing was back then was like, okay, so how is this going to benefit me? How is this going to like benefit me in interior design? So like I'd always be trying to do stuff that was furniture related, but like I wish I just like let myself go and like was in it at the moment, because especially with pottery and stuff, I was doing like stupid things like, you know, crowns and stuff, like nothing to do with like what I'm interested in, but it's just I didn't know, and no one would like help me either to kind of figure out what to actually make and stuff. But if I was to do it now, I would be doing like, you know, cups and mugs and teapots and like plates and stuff. Like it would have been so much fun. So these are some of the things that like, so etching is like where you get like a copper plate and you like get like, it's like a sharp pen, and you start like etching like a picture into it, and then we have to do like a collage of our face. We have to like get a picture of ourselves and like create like a collage using like, you know, whatever you wanted. I mean, I never got to finish mine because, you know, I'm too particular and like I just couldn't get it look right. Oh, okay, so now we're getting into some funny stuff. So this is one of the ones I drew and painted. This lady is like wild. Like she is crazy, crazy B-I-S-C-H bitch. She is a crazy bitch. So like I really like loved pop art at the time. I really like loved how like bold it was, but I also wanted it to be like a mashup between pop art and then kind of more like realistic, but like not realistic, kind of a bit more crazy. So as you can see, she has like the pop art lips, and then she has like the colorful hair, but it's like curled, and it like has like, it's messy, like, you know, it's kind of sketched. And then for the skin, I kind of shaded with the pencil, but then went over it with like a kind of yellow and like white kind of mixture, but like really watered down. So I like blended out the pencil marks, which was really fun. And it has a real fun creative way. And this is another one. This one was like, I mean, I wanted to experiment with different skin tones as well, because I didn't know how to do like dark skin tones. And I really tried. Like, this is more like cool. This is a really cool tone, and her eyes looks like possessed. But like, I mean, I could get arrested for stuff like this. Like, it's so weird. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I really like her hair. I like how the fringe like it's like stops right here, and then this is really like bold. But anyway, that's that lady. And I have like some photocopies of it. Oh, and these are like these are ones that aren't as like exciting. These are just drawings of like freak objects. So that's like a chair. So I have one like of a chair that has a leaf on it. I have a paintbrush, a topper, a clothes peg. I have like a girl with like a hoodie or a jacket or something on. Salt and pepper shaker, a topper. Yeah, I mean, it was just very random. Like, you know, it's all about, you know, enhancing your skill and getting creative. And then I have one like of a teapot and like a paper bag. I remember doing this paper bag. I remember because I done like a few of them. I done them in different kind of medias, because, you know, you have to kind of get the creative juices flowing. I mean, okay, so that's sketchbook done. Okay guys, so let's rewind back again to Leaving Cert. I remember I painted this and I was so proud of this. Like, I was so, like, I thought this was like I thought this was like the best thing ever. Like, it was, I was so proud of it, because it took me so long to do, because there's so much different colors in there. Like, I put pinks, blues, greens, like I put like colors in there. Fun fact guys, I actually won an award in BCG, which is like design and communicational graphics. I won an award for the I think it's one of the top three projects in Ireland. So I mean, not to brag or anything, but I won an award for that. Because most of these are just sketches of my project. That, I mean, I'm not going to really show you guys, because, you know, I might want to do something with it like later on in life. Oh yeah, so in this course we done like a lot of printing. I used to love making it like logos and stuff. So sugar. So I done it the Chanel logo. I done out an eye. I mean, I was really like loving eyes of an eye. But I just like something you don't want to see at night time on your own. Like, is that not scary? That was printing as well. It was just like different ways of printing. That's why I love going through all these old like projects and stuff, because like it kind of gets you inspired again to kind of make more stuff. Remember before when I showed you that picture of the eye inside the shell, and I told you I'd done like a picture on it, like a charcoal drawing of it? Well, this is it. This is my charcoal drawing of it. And I love this because that's like a fishbone as well as it goes up, and then it's like white paint as well, so it's like very mixed media and stuff, and it's like, oh, I love that one so much. Like, that's gonna be in my home when I'm older. Oh, here is my favorite ones. Okay, so let me take these out. Right, I'm gonna start with here. Oh, I mean, I don't really like this one, but I done like a series of like kind of pop party women. So this is one of them. This is like just pink hair, blue lips. So it's like pop art, except the way I painted her face is more like, it has more depth to it, because in the pop art paintings it's very flat, it's like one color. So I wanted to kind of experiment with different like depths and stuff, and they all have like designer jewelry on. Like this one has Chanel earrings. The next one I'm going to show you has a YSL choker on. You know, I like my women to be looking alive. So this is the one with YSL choker. I mean, I think this one looks like Superwoman. Do you know what I think? Like, she's very like shocked looking, or like very like, I don't know, she's just very dead inside. But you know what? It was just, I just had so much fun like experiment with different ways of painting like noses and lips, and they all have like lip fillers, and yeah, it's just how it is, I suppose. Oh wait, and this one is, I really like this one as well. So the idea behind this one is that she's like lying down, and like her hair's like kind of waving back, and like she's so majestic and whatever. And she has like a Chanel choker on with like pearls and stuff. And she's very like, you know, like seductive. I really like that one. And then this one is probably like, the funny thing is on this like so like different to the rest of them. This one like took me a long time to do. Well, it didn't actually take me that long. Like, I mean, it didn't actually take me that long. There's like a lot of different colors in it. Like there's like blues and yellows and pinks and oranges and greens and like every color of the rainbow is like in this girl's face. She's very red looking, but like, and then her hair is like kind of very rock and roll, and I wanted to add a bit more of that pop art vibe in, so I kind of put like bright yellow lips, and then I put glitter over it as well. When I just done this, like the glitter was so like to the very edge of her lips as well, so like it was very like, you know, impactful. Now though, like the glitter's kind of faded a bit, so it's not as like impactful, but you know what, it's cool, it's fine. That's me working on my Play-Doh furniture. See, like, you know, this is how like bad I am in college. Like, I just don't care about college at all. Like, I make so much effort with everything else in my life, but like college I just don't care about. Like, I don't care what anyone else thinks about my work. Well, I do a bit, but like I just don't, like, I hate like being told what to do and everything. So like when like it's fun and all making all this stuff, but when like I wasn't supposed to be doing them, I was supposed to be doing something else at the time, and that's why I done them, because I just like do my own thing all the time, and because I find it more fun. Like, I feel like say if someone told me like you have to, say for example someone said paint this, but you have to paint this now, I won't do it, because I just like to be able to do what I want, and like it takes the fun out of it, I think, when you're told to do something. Oh, I like these ones. Okay, so let me start here. So I don't know if you know this about me, but I love Rihanna. Like, don't even get me started. I like love Rihanna. I don't like love many artists, but like Rihanna, I'm sorry, I love her. So I done a picture of her. So like, I mean, it doesn't really look like her, and like don't mind the blackness up here because it kind of tore a bit. But yeah, I kind of done her in pencil, and I just painted the background in gold because, you know, she is golden. And this is another one like of Rihanna. Like, I don't know if you've seen that picture. It's not like, it doesn't really look like her, but it's like just inspired by her. Well, anyway, then I done one of, it's like inspired by Ariana Grande. I don't know if it even looks like her, but it was kind of inspired by her ponytail and stuff. And it's like one of the other pop arty kind of ones to kind of fit in with the rest of my stuff, you know. Okay, so that's all the art stuff that I've done or that I can find. Let me know in the comments like what was your favorite piece. Like, do you think this stuff is like weird? Like, I don't know. Let me know all your thoughts down below, and let me know also, like, do you paint, do you draw, like, what's up? And yeah guys, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Before you leave though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.